Most spreadsheet work begins with a specific type of mental friction, the empty grid. You sit there, trying to connect the dots between scattered emails and meeting notes while a flashing cursor waits for your first input. Setting up a project manually requires hours of data entry and the memorization of technical syntax like VLOOKUP. It is a process of hunting for context across different apps and forcing it into a row and column structure. In March 2026, Google Workspace moved to address this by embedding Gemini directly into the core architecture of Google Sheets. This chart shows the model's performance on Spreadsheet Bench. Spreadsheet Bench is a public dataset used to test an AI's ability to manipulate the edge of human expert ability. It suggests that on the majority of complex tasks, the AI can manage data manipulation without a human having to dictate every individual step. Google Sheets acts as an autonomous collaborator, managing expert-level construction within the grid. The new workflow replaces the manual cell formatting phase with a single natural language blueprint prompt. To see how this works in practice, imagine you're planning a move to Chicago. You might ask Gemini to organize the move, create a packing checklist, and track moving company quotes. Gemini searches through your connected Google Workspace apps to find the context. It pulls raw utility data from your Gmail and retrieves specific realtor details from your Google chat history. It takes those unstructured conversations and automatically translates them into a formatted, structured table. This relies on multi-step execution, where Gemini chains several complex structural commands together based on your initial request. In one action, the AI can simultaneously add priority drop-down menus, freeze the header row, and remove archived entries. The spreadsheet process is now one of high-level project delegation, removing the need for manual data gathering and row-by-row assembly. For projects requiring data from the outside world, Google introduced Fill with Gemini, a tool designed to bypass the manual research phase of data entry. Consider a college application tracker. Normally, you'd have to manually visit dozens of school websites to find tuition costs and application deadlines. Now you create headers for the information you want, like tuition or deadline, and simply drag the selection down. Gemini uses Google Search to reach the live web, auto-populating those empty cells with real-time data from external sources. In a 95-person study of 100 cell tasks, this autonomous filling method was 9 times faster than entering the data manually. You can also use the equals AI function to bring large language model capabilities directly into a cell. This allows you to categorize expenses or perform sentiment analysis on customer feedback at scale. The spreadsheet effectively serves as an active research assistant, pulling and categorizing external data without the user ever opening a new browser tab. The final layer of spreadsheet management involves high-level analytical logic and optimization, tasks that are traditionally difficult for humans to calculate at scale. Gemini handles this through an integration with Google DeepMind OR tools. OR Tools is a specialized software engine designed to find the best possible solution to complex logistical problems where there are millions of potential combinations. In a real-world scenario like employee scheduling, you have to balance staff availability, specific skill sets, and business profitability all at once. You describe these complex rules in plain English. This removes the need for third-party solver software or the construction of advanced formulas. Gemini crunches these variables to find the single optimal logistical overlap, displaying the most efficient deployment plan for the team. Complex tasks that once required hours of labor and specialized technical knowledge now take a single conversational sentence to resolve. The user acts as a director of data, overseeing the output of an integrated AI expert embedded directly within the grid.